fabulous viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we unravel the mysteries of real estate and sprinkle a bit of charm and wit along the way. Today, we've got a sizzling topic that's hotter than the Dubai sun, navigating the competitive landscape of Dubai's buy-to-let market. So, grab your sunglasses and get ready for a thrilling ride through the dazzling world of real estate in Dubai. Alright, folks, let's face it, Dubai's real estate market is like a fast-paced roller coaster. With its skyscrapers touching the clouds and opulent properties vying for attention, it's a playground for investors and homeowners alike. But fear not, my savvy viewers, because we're here to be your guide through the twists and turns of the buy-to-let market. Location. 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 Picture this. You're sipping a frothy latte at the marina, gazing at the magnificent Palm Jumeirah, or strolling through the bustling downtown Dubai. Ah, the magic of Dubai's iconic locations. When it comes to buy-to-let, it's all about location, my friends. Choosing the right neighborhood can make or break your investment dreams, so let's be smart about it. We'll explore the hottest spots and emerging areas that promise high rental demand and fantastic rental yields. The Goldilocks property. Now, let's talk properties. It's like a fairy tale, finding the just right property that tickles your fancy and wows your potential tenants. Keep your eyes peeled for that Goldilocks property, not too big, not too small, but just perfect. Balconies with a view are always a hit, and those top-notch amenities? Yep, they're like icing on the cake. We'll delve into the different types of properties available, from luxurious apartments to chic townhouses, and how to pick the gem that'll charm your tenants. Outsmarting the competition. Okay, now here's where it gets interesting, outsmarting the competition. Dubai's buy-to-let market is like a stylish catwalk, and we need to stand out. Make your property a showstopper with eye-catching interior designs, quirky touches, and maybe even a fancy concierge service. The competition won't know what hit them. We'll also reveal clever marketing strategies to attract tenants like bees to honey, virtual tours, stunning photographs, and maybe even a video tour with yours truly. Crunching the numbers. Ladies and gents, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, crunching the numbers. It's all about those sweet returns, right? Consider your rental yield, property expenses, and potential capital appreciation. Don't forget the sneaky taxes and maintenance costs, but fear not, because we've got a secret formula to make those numbers dance in your favor. We'll reveal smart financial planning tips to maximize your profits and ensure a smooth sailing investment journey. Know the rules. Abracadabra, let's make the legal stuff disappear. Not really, but knowing the rules and regulations of Dubai's real estate market is essential. We're talking about those magical freehold areas, the tenancy laws, and getting familiar with the landlord-tenant relationship dance. When it comes to the law, knowledge is power. We'll navigate the legal maze and help you stay on the right side of the law while making those dreamy profits. Amenities and services. Alright, let's talk about the wow factor. We all love a little extra sparkle, right? We'll explore the game changers that elevate your buy-to-let property from good to grand. From swanky gyms and swimming pools to pet-friendly perks and concierge services, we'll uncover the amenities that'll make your tenants feel like royalty. There you have it, my adventurous real estate wizards. Navigating Dubai's buy-to-let market is like riding a magical carpet through a thrilling adventure. Remember, it's all about location, finding the just right property, and outsmarting the competition with style and grace. Oh, and let's not forget the legal magic and the wow factor, they're like the secret ingredients to your real estate success. If you love our tips and are ready to conquer Dubai's buy-to-let market like a pro, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We've got more real estate magic coming your way, and we'd love to have you join our dazzling community.